Back in 2009, I went to the doctor because I wasn't feeling too well. I then found out that I had high blood pressure. I was subsequently prescribed with chronic medication for hypertension, and I wasn't even 30 years. I then knew that I had to lose weight. My weight loss journey began at the beginning of this year when I decided to lose about 42 kilos. I have now lost 29 kilos in total, which means that I only have about 12.6 actually to lose. In order to lose this weight, I basically changed how I ate, eating more healthily. And for me, you don't have to follow any specific diet. You just need to watch what you eat, make sure you make the healthy choices, and know your calorie limits, basically. And that's what I've been doing. I've been counting my calories, so to speak. And then, of course, I've been training at the gym, running on the treadmill, swimming in the swimming pool at the gym. And as of late, I've started increasing what I do in terms of weights. Because I obviously need to start toning now as well, since I've already lost 29 kilos. In '98, I did the Two Oceans Half Marathon, and I really hope that I'll be able to do it again next year. I have actually made that one of my goals, and I'm going to work really hard at achieving that goal. About 2-3 months ago, I decided to try some of my old jeans on. You can see it on the scale, but you can now actually express it in terms of a picture, really. With losing all this weight now, I find that I'm actually a little bit more open. I communicate a little better with people. I feel happier overall. Being on the Zerovolution site means that I've now got a public platform to boast about my achievements. Just knowing that it's public and someone else can view my profile motivates me to stay on track. It's also a great feeling to know that maybe I can prove to someone else out there that, you know what, it is possible to lose the weight and be healthy as well. Hi, I'm Chantal de Blanche, and this is how you make the impossible possible.